दोस्तों आज हम जा रहे हैं लेडी श्री राम कॉलेज। अगर आपने हमारी इंग्लिश प्रिपरेशन वाली वीडियो देखी है तो आप जानते हो यार लड़के का गर्ल्स कॉलेज में घुसना कितना मुश्किल होता है। इसलिए हमने मदद ली है उस वीडियो में एक लड़की यानी कि कृषा की, जो आपको पूरा वीडियो दिखाएगी, CUET स्कोर्स भी पूछेगी। लेकिन वीडियो स्टार्ट होने से पहले मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताता हूँ कि पूरे वीडियो में आपको एक कोड मिलेगा जिससे आप CUET की बेस्ट रिसोर्स को एक्सेस कर सकते हो एट द बेस्ट डिस्काउंट रेट। तो चलो वीडियो कैसी लगी बताना और कृषा को कैमरा देता हूँ।
So I have taken the camera from Harsh and I'll be going around campus and asking people their CUET score. So come along. Hi guys. So what was your CUET score and which course are you studying right now?
Hi, my CUET score was 780 and I'm currently a second year in English.
Hi, I'm in currently first year English honors and my CUET score was 764.
Hi, I'm currently pursuing BA Honours Journalism and my CUET score was 777 out of 800.
Hi, so I'm Prashita Dubey and my CUET score was 700 or I think 701, but I was from EWS category.
Alright.
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi. My course is BA program. I'm majoring in psychology and my minor is sociology and my score was 770.
My name is Ishita Agarwal. My course is Psych and Socio. I'm majoring in Psych and minoring in Socio. My CUET score was 776.
Hi, I'm Ishwari. I'm a psych socio student with my major as psychology and my minor as sociology. My CUET score was 788.
Hi, I'm Ira. My CUET score was 794 and I'm pursuing Sociology Honours.
I'm Jia. My CUET score was 776 and I'm pursuing Journalism Honours.
Hi, my name is Pari Tripathi. My department is BA program and my CUET score was 752.
I'm Manchika Kothari. I'm from BA Honours Journalism and my CUET score was 788 out of 800.
I'm Ananya. I'm also from BA Honours Journalism and my score was 782 out of 800.
Hello, we're all from Journal Department and I'm Janvi. My CUET score was 788 out of 800.
I'm also from Journal Department. My name is Kritika and my CUET score was 780.
Alright. So if you could give a tip to all the people who are appearing for CUET this year, what would it be?
Just read the NCERT, read it over and over again because that is the only thing that is relevant for CUET, and just don't need to do anything else, just stick to the NCERT and you'll be set to go.
Yeah, same, and do a lot of mock tests. Make sure for every subject you've done like 10 mock tests at least. That helps you more than anything else.
हाँ, English का paper is a bit lengthy maybe sometimes, so try practicing from sample papers so that you don't miss out on anything. It would be easy but it would be lengthy, so yeah, that's it.
See, if you're aiming for LSR, it is the dream, it is the right choice in my opinion, but padna bahut padta hai. Like, that's the hard reality. You have to study, you have to put in that effort, you have to compromise on a lot of things, and then you can enjoy here. Like, a little you can. Idhar bhi padna hi padta hai, but still, it's all worth it, genuinely.
I think for the people who are going to give CUET this year, I just think be really thorough with your NCERT and like just know your subjects through and through. As per LSR is concerned, if you want to get into LSR, you need to be really okay with the hustle culture because it's really tough here. People say in school that okay, once we get into college we are not going to study, but that's not going to be the case if you want to get into LSR. So yeah, that is one thing.
One thing I would like to tell people who are preparing for CUET is that just stay dedicated. I know abhi boards khatam hote hai, but it's just like 1-2 more months. Stay dedicated. Don't do anything. Time pass mat karo. And then I think it will definitely pay off, especially if you want to go to like LSR or someplace. Or SRCC, yeah, if you want to go. So just study for 1 or 2 months and it's almost over.
For CUET tips, we also have our channel, Plug In. Please follow CUET Survivors Club, subscribe to us on YouTube. But also I think when it comes to the basic tip, it is just that don't let it take you over and rather you take over the exam and be chill about it. It's just another exam and it's life, and put in effort for a month because life's a lot happier after that. It's very fun. We go to concerts every day.
Well, for CUET, I just say that it's not a very tough exam. It's all about how you prepare for it mentally. So do not let it overpower you, as she said. And बस कर लो यार, कर लो, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़े आते हैं उसके बाद।
CUET I feel यार पढ़ते सब है, it's more of a mental state than an exam. तो anxious मत होना लाइफ में और maintain that calm to give the exam, बाकी तुम कर लोगे.
And one more question, how are you finding LSR so far? Do you like it, or what are your views about the college?
LSR is hectic because of all the societies and the activities and academics as well. Also, the election season is going on right now, so it's really happening. But I love it here. Wouldn't want to be anywhere else.
Honestly, yeah, it met my expectations. I love it here. I love the opportunities I'm getting. It's definitely hectic. You are not ready for college, especially when you're in school. But yeah, I love it here.
You know, people have asked me this question so many times, and the answer is always I love it. Even if, you know, I had the worst day ever, it'll be very bad, it will be very rushed, it'll still be the best because LSR is LSR. No, there's nothing changing that.
I remember my initial days at LSR. I used to not really get the place. Like, I used to be really overwhelmed and I used to feel a lot of imposter syndrome as well. But now that, you know, our first year is about to get over, I can say for sure that LSR is a dream place for girls. It's so good. The people that you meet here, the friends that you make, the memories that you'll make, it's so worth it and it's just so good.
I think personally for me, the first semester was really good academically, but as a socially, it was not the best, I would say. And I think now I am learning how to find a balance between both, how to have a really good social life and how to study. So yeah, I think that's about it.
I love LSR. I think LSR was a dream come true, and every day that I am in this college, the dream realizes a bit more.
बहुत बढ़िया college life है. I love LSR. I love the vibes here. I love being surrounded by all these talented women all the time. And I love the building. I love the flowers. I love everything about LSR.
It said that LSR is magic. It is because Sem 1 में जब तुम आओगे तो तुम्हें बहुत प्रेशर लगेगा, ओवरवेल्म हो जाओगे तुम. बट देन वंस यू फाइंड अ गुड ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, यू फाइंड सोलेस इन द कैंपस, देन एवरीथिंग इज़ वर्थ इट. एंड जो 12th के बाद के मज़े बोलते हैं वो सच है. तो प्लीज़ पढ़ाई कर लो जितना टाइम तुम्हारे पास है. NCERT करो, मॉक टेस्ट करो एंड यू विल डू वंडरफुल.
तो I would like to quote someone very iconic I know. And किसी ने कहा था कि LSR है और LSR ही रहेगा, which is very true. Because चाहे वो नॉर्थ कैंपस नहीं है, चाहे वो साउथ कैंपस नहीं है, बिकॉज कोई LSR बन ही नहीं सकता है. इट्स दैट, इट इज़ एज आइकॉनिक. जितना तुम यहाँ आके फील करोगे, जो शांति, जो सुकून एक्चुअली LSR में है, वो आई फील कहीं नहीं है.
So I am passing the camera back to Harsh because I have to run and attend my classes. So see you next time. Bye bye.
तो गाइस वीडियो कैसी लगी अभी मुझे बताना, क्योंकि कृषा से हमने कैमरा ले लिया है, उसने बहुत अच्छी वीडियो शूट करी है. अगर आप ऐसी और गर्ल्स कॉलेजेस की वीडियो देखना चाहते हो जिसमें हम किसी क्रिएटर को पकड़े गर्ल्स कॉलेज के और उनसे प्लीज़ रिक्वेस्ट करें कि आप बना दो CUET को गर्ल्स कॉलेज में, LSR का टूर भी देखना चाहते हो तो मैं कोशिश करूँगा आपके लिए बना दूँ. कमेंट्स में बता देना. वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर देना. और आखिरी बात यार, बेस्ट रिसोर्स आपको मिलेगी गेट DU कूपन कोड से. तो जाओ DU Buddy प्लेटफॉर्म पर, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में, और जाके अटेम्प्ट करो.